May sunog dito mga 2 weeks ago. But I did not know nagkasunog dito. Kaya pala si TTT the other week, he took the LRT, you know, dito sa Doroteo Jose. Hindi siya nakadaan dito sa taas, sa baba siya. But did you know na nasunog na? Okay. So where did you pass by? Did you pass by under this bridge or doon ka sa Rizal Avenue dumaan? Okay. Amazing. Ang laki-laki pala nito. Pero what is more amazing is that parang mas gumanda pa yung kanilang mga condo hotels. Mas naging sementado pa at konkreto. So,
semi-permanent.
Correct. So may budget sila or is the Philippine government paying for it?
Crazy.
Ay, kaloka. There.